Alright, guys, hello. I got some balls. How are you all doing? Now, just another video of NBA 2K14. I'm playing the park, a new cool feature where you get to be your own player in your own career and you play against other players. It's pretty cool. So let's jump into the game. All right. So the other team gets the ball here and the dunk. Then the dunk. What a dunk, guys. All right. My shot. My turn for the three. I get it. I get the three. Nice shot. And now my assist. What a pass. Right here. Another assist. No! He misses the three. He misses the three. But here I pass it and then the dunk. The dunk, though. The dunk. Then he shoots his stupidity. The stupidity. He just randomly shoots there and misses. This dude just comes and he is juking and moving, but then I block him. That monster block, guys. The monster block. And then I get the rebound real quick here. I pass it for the three. He shoots. Yes, sir. Now the score is 2-1, I believe. 2-2. I'm not sure. Then he goes for the three and he misses. He misses. That dunk. That dunk. Beautiful dunk right there. Alright. Now this guy is going to shoot, and yes, he scores. And so this is a tight game right now. He passes his, but he makes a mistake. The other team gets the ball and dunks. Now, right here, I get the rebound. I pass it for the three is no good. That guy is missing threes all over the place. This guy then shoots and he misses. Really bad shot right there. This guy passes it to me. I'm about to shoot, yes, and I score. Alright. So now I pass it to this dude and he dunks it. He goes all the way for the dunk. Now, my team's got the ball. They pass it to me. I pass it back. Then he goes, he shoots, and he scores. Then we've got the ball. The guy shoots for the three, and we get it. Now we're losing by 2 points, I believe, and he shoots for the three, and he scores. The other team is dominating. Alright, I've got the ball. I shoot. Yes! I score, guys. I score. Then my team's got the ball. Will he score? No, he passes it to me. But then I pass it back, and then the three-pointer. Beautiful play right there. Just be playing beautiful. Alright. Right now I try to pass it, but I make a mistake and the other team gets the ball and scores. About about to lose right here. We're in the moments of closing the game and they score the three. I pass it to this dude. This dude, can he do something? He passed it to me. I score the three. Yes, sir. I do. Alright, now it's the other team. I believe it's 20-16. Can we do something? Oh, and this guy fouls him. Oh, he fouls him. Alright, it's okay. I believe they score right here. And we lose again, 21-16. Close game all the way. Thank you all guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed. Subscribe, comment, and see